This plugin allows you to quickly and easily create menus for your games. In the demo scene, you'll find examples of standard UI windows such as panels, pop-ups, and navigation flows. As a bonus, the asset also includes multiple types of progress bars and floating feedback elements, perfect for showing damage, item pickups, rewards, and more. The system also includes built-in safe area support for mobile devices, so your UI automatically adapts to notches and different screen formats. You can organize full menu navigation completely without writing any code. At the same time, the system is flexible. You can easily add your own logic, custom animations, sprites, and extend it to fit your project. It's designed to save development time while still giving you full control over how your UI looks and behaves.